it's Zia from Thang, and today I have my friend Danya here. Today we are going to be teaching you guys how to make silicone molds,
recycled crayon melt and craft.
So let's get right into it. The materials you will need for this craft are
silicone molds and a bowl full of warm water.
And then you will also need broken crayons. They can have wrappers or they can have no wrappers. Okay, so for the first step, we are going to take the crayons, the broken ones, and we are going to be putting them in warm water. The crayons with wrappers will be going in the warm water.
And the crayons without the wrappers will not be going in the bowl of warm water. Okay, now we will be putting the crayons with wrappers in the warm water.
Okay, so we have finished putting all the crayons with wrappers in our water, and now we have to let it sit
for 1 hour.
So we'll see you guys in an hour. Okay guys, now it has been 1 hour and we have been letting the crayons sit in the water.
This is how it looks. And now we will take the wrappers off the crayons.
The water should have made the crayons more loose and the wrapper should just peel off super easily right now. So now let's peel off the wrapper.
And the crayon might be, I wouldn't say slimy, but
it might be a little sticky because it's been in water for
like 1 hour.
Yeah, but then when we bake it, it won't be slimy anymore.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Okay guys, now we have finished taking all the crayon wrappers off.
And we've put them back all into our bowl. So now we have our silicone molds, and all we are going to do is we are going to break the longer pieces of crayons in half.
Put them in here.
And then we are going to put them in our silicone molds according to how we want. So I'll show you an example. So if I want like purple, red, yellow, and so, then we are just going to fill up the whole mold, and then we will put them in the oven and they will just form all together into one crayon. So let's get into doing it.
Okay. Okay guys, so we finally finished, and that took I wouldn't say a lot of time.
But about like 10 minutes because we did break a lot of crayons.
And a lot of crayon breaking, and this is how dirty our hands got.
Yeah. So now we are going to be baking these in the oven. So you're going to bake it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. But make sure to keep in mind that some companies' crayons like Crayola do melt faster, so make sure to just keep an eye on the crayons, and once they're fully melted and you can't see any of the crayon chunks, then they're ready. So let's go put them in the oven. So these have been cooling for about 30 to 45 minutes now, and now it is time to take out the crayons out of the silicone mold. So Danya is going to take out her crayons first.
Okay guys, so I finished taking out the melted crayons, and now Zia will do it.
Yeah, and of her crayons and my crayons, we will be showing you guys a close-up at the end. So now I'm going to be taking out mine, and this is how my crayon mold looks.
Okay guys, so I will be showing you a close-up picture of my crayons. Easter eggs look when you put them together. Let's do a thing. They don't really look, you know. This looks sort of like a jumbo egg. Or it looks like something else.
Looks like a ball of random things.
Wait, let's try a thin one. Thin on thin. This looks more like an Easter egg, don't you think? I don't know. But this is the front or back of the Easter egg, but I really like the design on this. If you look closely, you can see the design, and then when you put different colors, all the different colors come in like that and everything. Okay, so that's all my crayons.
Okay guys, I will be showing you my crayons now. So the backs are kind of like a plain color, but the fronts are nice and like kind of like tie-dye colored. Okay guys, now we have finished making all our crayons and doing everything we need. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and here are the crayons. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button and
Smash the subscribe button.
And make sure to comment down below if you like these type of videos and with my friends. Okay, well, bye! See you next time.